How to change video size in Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change video size in Capcut. In order to do it, so first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and log in. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and add a new project. So for me, I'm going to go with this one and click the add button. Next, what you want to do is to resize it. You could either split this video so that you could just have certain portion of resize and you could just go ahead and resize a certain portion, or you could just do it entirely. So to do it entirely, you just have to go ahead and select the video, and you could go ahead and scroll down a bit. You could find this Auto Reframe over here. So you can find a list of formats. You could see either for TikTok or for YouTube or for an Instagram, or you could go with the YouTube, or you could go ahead and resize all this. So if you're sure about it, go ahead and select it and click on the tick button. If you don't feel like doing it so, or you could zoom it out a bit and adjust it this way, you could go ahead and change the video size. So press the export button and it's going to be saved. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.